Welcome to Crypto Night. My name is Ife, and in this video I am going to show you how you can get new coins before they get listed on Binance. If you enjoy this kind of content, please leave a like and try to subscribe. Now let's jump right in. When Binance wants to list a coin on their exchange, they would first have to announce this particular coin on their Twitter page. You can go to their Twitter page. This is the Binance official Twitter page. Now when they want to announce any coin listing, they will announce it here on their Twitter page. For example, as you can see, they announced this coin around 2nd of April. This coin is called Auto, and this coin was announced before Binance listed it on their exchange. For you to get this coin before it gets listed on Binance, you would have to use CoinMarketCap. Using CoinMarketCap, you can research on the coin you are looking for, and when you research on the coin you are looking for, you would see exchanges to buy the coin from. For example, Binance listed Auto, so you would have to go to CoinMarketCap and search for Auto. Now if you search for Auto, now this is Auto, this is the price of Auto right now. If you scroll down, as you can see, this is the price chart of the coin. Now way back in February, this coin has been on CoinMarketCap, but Binance mentioned this coin at around this level after April 1st. As you can see, before the time of listing, the coin was basically going sideways. Immediately when Binance announced that they are going to list this coin, a lot of people would have already bought this coin in another exchange. Now the reason why people do this is to get an edge, because they know that when they buy a coin that would be listed on Binance very soon, the coin is going to have insane gains during that period of time. There will be a lot of volume traded on that coin. Using CoinMarketCap is how a lot of people get these coins before it gets into Binance. If you look right here, the price went from $4,600 to over $7,500. This is what a lot of people do to make the fast gain in a short period of time. If you scroll down right now, look at this. When you scroll down, you see exchanges that list the coin. Now before Binance was in this picture, there was PancakeSwap and there was OpenOcean. Now these exchanges below has listed this coin since February, and Binance just listed the coin April. If you had bought this coin earlier in one of these exchanges, the coin would have had massive gain at the time of listing on Binance. Also, there's one thing I need to tell you. Binance is a centralized exchange, but this right here, PancakeSwap, is a decentralized exchange. If you click on this, this is how PancakeSwap is going to look like. This is a decentralized exchange. You need to know that a decentralized exchange would require a decentralized wallet, just like your MetaMask wallet or your Trust wallet. I know that all this can be a bit confusing because it actually is, but if you want to know how to use PancakeSwap to get latest coins, newly created projects on Binance Smart Chain, you would have to use PancakeSwap. The thing is, the coins get listed on PancakeSwap even before it gets listed on Binance. And if you want to know how to use this PancakeSwap, please leave a thumbs up. If you leave, let's say, 500 likes right now on this video, I will do a detailed tutorial on how to use this PancakeSwap and how you can use it to make profit over time. I truly hope you enjoyed this short educative video, as this is going to be it right now, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.